Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm just doing a quick little tutorial video in the Lexus CT200h. I usually don't do these type of videos. I normally do car meets and other car related videos, but on this one, yes, it is a tutorial. The reason why I'm doing it is because Trent asked me if I can change the settings on the Lexus CT200h so that when you put the car in park, it doesn't automatically unlock all the doors in the car. Honestly, I think the reason why she asked for that is because she watched a video in which someone snuck in to the back seat of the car once they put their car in park, and it was like a robbery or something like that. So she's thinking about safety. You may be thinking about other reasons, or maybe your car is set to a different mode where it doesn't automatically unlock all the doors when you put it in park. So in the CT200h, I will quickly show you guys how to change it to one or the other. So here we go. Okay, with the car on, I don't know which year Lexus you may have, but it should be essentially all the same. Into menu will bring you here. Then you want to go to setup. Then you want to go to vehicle. So you can see that right there, vehicle. Just a heads up, the car does have to be on. So we'll go vehicle customization and door lock settings. And then here you got all the different auto lock by shifting in park. I think we want that one on. Auto unlock shift by park is on. That's the one we want off. So we're just gonna go in there, on off, and that should do it. Let's see, I'll test it out. I'll lock the doors and I'll save it. And let's see what happens. Okay, so the car is on. Oh, right now all the doors are locked. We will put it in park. And yeah, sure enough, the doors are still locked. We only can unlock it by using this here. And that's it. Really quick and easy. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Really short, I know. Again, not something I usually do. But yeah, if you're interested in watching videos like car meets, other car related content, make sure to subscribe. Probably do other videos here and there. I have my Alfa Romeo 4C as well. We got a couple other Lexus. Got the Fiat 500, and thinking of picking up some other cars and maybe even renting some cars on Turo and do some reviews and things like that. So again, if you guys like this video, again, a short tutorial, go ahead, subscribe, and we'll see if we can show you some more later.